Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix why does the brightness on your iPhone keep dimming on its own. The first thing you need to do is go into settings. Once in settings, you're going to scroll down and select accessibility. From here you're going to tap on display and text size, that's the third option from the top. And you're going to scroll down and you want to toggle off auto brightness. Auto brightness is the last option at the bottom of the page. You want to turn that off. Once you have done that, you're going to go back, and the next thing that you want to do also is go into display and brightness, and from here you're going to see True Tone. You want to ensure that True Tone is toggled off, as you can see on my screen. And also you're going to tap on night shift and you would toggle off night shift. And the other option that I would recommend you look into is by simply going back and selecting battery, and then you're going to toggle off low power mode, as once low power mode is on, your iPhone brightness will be dimmed. Hope you found this video helpful and informative, and that these steps were able to help you to stop your iPhone from dimming on its own.